Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Limits can be tricky when the denominator hits 0, but we can solve this specific problem fast by using some simple factoring and clever cancellation. First, look at the denominator, which is a squared minus x squared. We can factor this difference of squares into the product of a minus x and a plus x easily. Next, notice the numerator is x minus a, which is just the negative of a minus x. We can rewrite it to cancel out that common factor from the bottom now. Finally, we have negative 1 over a plus x. Substitute a for x to get negative 1 over 2a. This makes option B correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given info, check your steps carefully.